to cross over live to Kakamega and listen to the police commander there, Moses Ombati, who is commenting on an incident that took place yesterday where an unknown number of thugs last night invaded the Buka police post, Mumias, and stabbed the officer on duty, broke into the armory and stole all the guns. Let's just listen in.
Maybe what was it that there was only one officer manning the station at night? What was the reason for that?
Yeah, we had 4 officers who were on duty, only that there was a call. So they responded and they left 1 officer being on standby. And before they could be back, that is the time when this incident took place. So we had 4 officers, not 1. So the 3 went to respond to a call within the compound or within the factory premises.
Maybe from your preliminary investigations, how have you maybe established how these the perpetrators could have realized that there was only one officer manning
we cannot comment as of now because it is something that we are doing. The investigation is still on, too early to say even the purpose, even the people involved. It's still very early for us to do that. Yes. We have not seen because the officer who could have given us some hints, that is the one who is unconscious in hospital. So we are, as of now, we are from nowhere. Yeah, we have started from 0, and maybe in the course of the day we shall maybe get something. St. Mary's. Sorry. Hey.
Okay, boy.
All right, so that is Moses Ombati, who's the police commander in Kakamega. He has been given an update on an incident that took place yesterday. And like I mentioned, an unknown number of thugs last night invaded the Buka police post in Mumias and stabbed the officer on duty. They broke into the armory and stole 7 guns and 100 bullets. 7 guns and 100 bullets. Now, we also understand that the sole officer who was on duty is critically injured right now as we speak, and was discovered this morning unconscious and rushed to the hospital where he's currently fighting for his life. So we'll keep an eye on that developing story. That was the police commander, Moses Ombati in Kakamega, just giving an update on that incident where the thugs broke into Buka police post and stole 7 guns and 100 bullets.